I defeated Sachin Tendulkar in a table tennis game. Every day in the morning he would shout at me, Sherry, will you play? He cannot swallow defeat.
Yes.
You know, defeat is not bitter if you don't swallow it. This man will never ever accept defeat. He will play to win. That's the purpose that defines Virat Kohli. The great are great because they want to be great.
The lap of honor for the RCB fans who remained here at 1 a.m. There were close to 90,000. Imagine the party in Bengaluru tomorrow. I know something special is being planned for them as well. Virat came to our studios earlier. The Holy Trinity was complete with AB de Villiers and Chris Gayle and Virat, and he mentioned something quite spectacular there as well, Sharipa. He said this is about the team, this is about the bowlers. He pointed out Krunal Pandya. He said for Krunal Pandya to go ahead as a spinner and bowl that kind of spell, Krunal now the only first player to basically get 2 player of the match performances in an IPL final. It is total Pandya power.
Campa, fizzy moment.
What a spell, Sharipa.
Look, the RCB rose like a phoenix from Krunal Pandya winning 2 Man of the Match awards and then 1 with the bat. That's amazing. It's a feeling that never was. It's a cohesive unit, a fantastic middle order, and then to cap it all, a brilliant bowling side. That's what Patidar said. When he was asked, what do you want? He said, I want a brilliant bowling side, and that's the bowling side. And here is the RCB side. Oh!
This team deserves all the applause. Of all the moments, they are champions. They are champions. They are
God bless. Cheers, bro. Cheers.
It is personal, Captain. It is personal.
बेटा जीते रहो, खुश रहो, तुम बहुत लंबा जाओगे बेटा. मैं तुम्हें बता रहा हूँ, तुम्हारी जो एक्सेप्टेंस थी ना विराट के लिए, तुम्हारा जो पैशन है, बेटा ऐसा आशीर्वाद है ना इस योगी का. बच्चे तुम बहुत आगे जाएंगे. जीते रहो, खुश रहो, आबाद रहो.
See you tomorrow.
तेरे जैसे पतिदार एक ही बहुत है. लव यू बेटा, लव यू. God bless you. आ गया गुरु. बगैर बादल. अरे you are pivotal in whatever they've done. I'm telling you, the root. Nobody sees the root, but there cannot be any fruit without the root. You are the root.
DK, you know what? You gotta excuse me as a broadcaster here to get involved, but I mean, my husband played for RCB. He played a final. He lost that final. It's emotional. I'm a part of this, you know. You can't help it. I'm a Bengaluru girl to some extent. I'm a RCB girl.
He came to you.
You gotta give me this to let me enjoy that moment.
He came to you.
I apologize as a broadcaster.
He came to you and he said, touch it.
He let me touch the
You see, that's what I call is a smart person. And that's what I call is a humble man. Well, he could have easily walked away, but he gave you that opportunity to touch it. And that will be etched in your memory forever, Vayanti. You know, and it'll be matched in, you know, so many people who've seen that today will know how humble the man is. People misconstrue all that. That's why I stand with him throughout, thick and thin. I've always supported him. Why? मैं उसको कितनी बार मिला हूँ, आज दूसरी बार मिला हूँ. It's because the kind of joy that he's given to the world with his cricket, the way he plays, his attitude, the distance from earth to heaven, not a matter of altitude, it's a matter of attitude.
You know what, Sharipa, if we take, it's not possible really, but let's just take the emotion out of it and let's focus on Virat Kohli purely as a batter. To have 8 seasons where you scored more than 500 runs, it's been another 600 run season. There's been 850, 657 runs. He has played between anchor and aggressor. He has let go of this format internationally. And yet he's come into situations time and time again and managed to take his game to another levels. What does it take in a player to be able to continuously do that and deliver?
When you defend your name fiercely, you're a lion. You don't do things in half-baked measures. When you go, you go. When you're not in the swing of things, you will never hear of Virat Kohli, I'm telling you. But when you play with full commitment. I mean, शेर जो करता है ना, is written in the Vedas, वो पूरी ताकत लगा के करता है. That is what Virat Kohli is. 120 balls of commitment in this format. If he's sitting in the dressing room, you see him cheer. You see him get up, shout. When he's here in the field, he'll pick up a fight. He'll go straight to someone. Oh, you do this. And when he gets hit for a six, he'll show his anger. And when he runs that single, it's not that he's running for himself. He runs the two for the other fellow with more exuberance, Mayanti. That's kind of commitment that you want in someone. That's what makes Virat Kohli the icon, the Himalaya of Indian cricket. And that's why I rate him the greatest cricketer that India has ever produced.
And that duo over there, that little partnership here, of course, AB de Villiers, Phil Salt this season, the three of them, the emotions that they've attached to this club, even the families. I mean, the team is here with their families. You can understand how expressive. AB still got tears in his eyes. That's incredible. The universe boss. The three of them reunited. They fought that final together 9 years ago. It wasn't meant to be. It was meant to be in the 18th season. East Salah Cup, Namdu will take a breather and hear more from Sheripar about how this moment in history has been created.